Hello viewers, I am Christiana Balogun. Welcome to Relationship Tidbits for all ages. My lady, represent yourself very well. Take care of your appearance in and out. Stay humble with inviting smiles. Pamper your face. Your clean appearance will first introduce you to your admirers. Mix with your choice group. Socialize with people. Stop giving excuses that I am a very private person. Appreciate who you are. Avoid unnecessary attitude. Be yourself. Don't form. Remember that you will always need people to get to your destination. Oh yes, you need destiny helpers. God bless. Till we meet again, bye. Remember to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment.